What if the future walked into your campus? Welcome to ASM AI Fest.
ASM AI Fest is in full motion across the campus. Through focused discussions and curious conversations, students and faculty are actively engaging with artificial intelligence.
Junior College. Curious minds stepping boldly into the world of artificial intelligence. Management College. Future leaders mastering AI to drive smarter decisions. Engineering College. Innovators turning code and creativity into intelligent solutions. One vision, one movement, one ASM AI Fest, shaping tomorrow.